boys! Guys, welcome to my everyday makeup tutorial. Well, in all honesty, this is more of a walkthrough, I would say. I am no professional. So yeah, this is just the makeup that I would do, like not going out, not going to work. Anyway, so I'm starting with the eyebrows, e.l.f. primer, and putting that all over my lids and all over my face, because I do not have any eyeshadow primer, so do not follow in my steps. Although I don't even think I'm going to be doing eyeshadow today, so it didn't matter. I am setting that now with my HMB pressed powder in the shade Way Too Damn Dark for me. I actually don't know what shade it is, but it's giving really flawless. Let me zoom in for y'all. It is giving really flawless. And instead of eyeshadow, I'm using a concealer just to contour my eye a little bit. And if I was just going to work, going somewhere, doing a really quick makeup eye look, I would just like blend this out with the same brush I use for my concealer, or even a beauty blender, just trying to keep the shape. But today we're professionals, so I'm blending that out with a brush. So now I'm just doing my nose contour with the same concealer. This time I really kept it on the, what's the thing of my nose called? On that little, the end of my nose, the tip, there we go. I kept it on the tip of my nose, and then just contoured the whole nose, the whole tip, and then highlighted instead of the other way where people usually draw out the tip. It's just a bit more dramatic, I find. I maybe wouldn't do this for a casual day. And then I did my eyeliner, as you saw, nothing different. I did kind of like a straight on top, and a bit diagonal coming up from the eyes. And then I did my mascara, and yeah, I'm still putting on mascara. I'll probably edit a lot of this out. Still putting on mascara, Dina, let's go, good editing. And then just, I felt like a pop of colour because I was going to a party. I actually was going out this night, but I didn't want to try to do too much, so got a little apparently lilac concealer on my lower lids. I actually stole this from my mom. I think it's Revolution, something like that. And yeah, that's just going on my bottom lid. I think it's really cute just for the like dolly effect, but also something different. Yeah, the guys won't get it, but the girls do, so you know, if you don't mind questions about why your eyelashes are pink, it's pretty cool. Ooh. And then just a little close up, yada yada yada. You've seen me put on mascara already, you know how to put on mascara, I hope. If you do not, there's no tutorials for you here on this page. This is for the girls, this is for the makeup girlies, because, as you know, this is not a tutorial. And I'm really bad at explaining myself. I don't know if you've gathered that yet. If you've been subscribed for a while, I cannot describe a cat in a bucket. And with that same concealer, I think, no, lie, I didn't show it on camera, but I'm using that eyeshadow with a flat brush just to like go around, basically as a lip liner. I think it's really nice to do because sometimes you don't have a lip liner that is like perfect for you. Ideally you would, and I've got money for that, so I just use my really old eyeshadow palette. But I should buy some lip liners, and I might buy some lip liners. That's so far. I love a lip liner as well. Yeah, let's do it. But anyway, how good did my lips look? Like, I literally look like a doll. Wow, I look so good. No, it's because I look crazy. Like if you go to the first scene or the first, oh, I look good. Damn. Oh, look at me feeling myself. Damn. Yeah. Anyways, if you go to the first scene, I just feel like I look so crazy with this without makeup. But with makeup, sure. Anyways, yeah, so I've done my lips, And then this is me showing a close-up of the final look, feeling myself, yada yada yada. I hope you like this look also. I'm very proud. I feel like my makeup just doesn't hit like this anymore. This was in winter though, I think I had nothing else to live for. But it's summer now, and I'm sorry I posted late, guys. I will get on top of it. And maybe even post twice this week because I've been slacking. Anyway, thank you, bye. Oh, and subscribe.